Hey, it's Zachary John Hayer here. I'll answer my requirement for King, Baron Essex. Hey, we got these nice questions. Make America great again. We don't understand what we're talking about. We're stupid in the first place, right? Now, if we're stupid in the first place, beta ray spectra of arsenic, rubidium, krypton, application ammonia cyanide. Hey, George Wheel, plutonium development. Plutonium development. What are you winning the Nobel for, bud? Hey, buddy. Enrico Fermi's a factor to build nuclear reactor. Office of Scientific Research Development. Placement Group, Manhattan Project. Application on one, University of Chicago. Now, Robert Oppenheimer, your notes are at K College. Hey, Earl Thayer, Edward Teller, you mean? What are you doing in your day-to-day life? Dan Paul Zelinsky Fleming, the Nagasaki radio spectrometrist. Hey, what's good, guys? The homie DARPA team. Architectural design engineer of the Thor THAAD missile project, the cryogenic unit for Orion. Colin Luxembourg, what you doing, bud? Oh, hey, Dad. My better favorite. Critical vent theory, 15.36. That was plutonium-248 at the time of it validating the uranium research in daughter nuke between uranium-238 to 235, to be exact. First application, WM-122 in the history of our country based on American research. We don't understand that as what is known as the Trinity nuclear test. At this time, we are not asking that nanoparticle applications and anti-quark models between inorganic organic atometry and viral epidemiology to microbiology is not symbolic asymmetric information. Nanoparticle, dumbass. Hey, I understand Max Bohr. I don't understand who Julian Schlesinger 3-2 equation. Mimicking my anti-quark spin and organic atometry. Vanadium pentan triethyldiapsium, WM niobium mercury triethypentan boramine, lanthanum tensine hessium aporium, triethyl trillium, europentan nickel radon. My radon level, not krypton, not einsteinium, not lanthanum urite, not serine cyanide. In the application, a hydrofluorocarbon, fluorocarbons aren't molecular fluoride. Harold Urey. Uranium hexafluoride would be organic matter tissue analysis, and lanthanum pentan triethylene, trillium, europentan nickel hexanophene, zirconium mutabum, gluteum isomononite, thorium pentan triethyl nickel trillium, uracerium pentan hexasulfate, and isomononite. But if the oganesson is Neptunian, the thorium trillium is a technetium sample. Zirconium, mutabum, technetium, nadium, niobium, pentahexamercury is lanthanum americrum, gluteum isothorium, trillium, europentan nickel boramine, and borofluoride based on rutherfordium bone rot. Hey, molecular subtissues, molecular atometry. We're just working on plutonium enrichment. Hey, Daniel Zelinsky Fleming. Didn't you? Thesis advisor, Western Michigan University. Neighbor in South Haven. That's not what you specialize in. Daniel Paul Zelinsky, Frederick Vladimir Zelinsky, Brismo? No. Kaninsky Project. Rainbow Code. Prepare for Lord von Ribbentrop. Now, if neutron cross-sections, einsteinium pentan nickel boramine triethyl pentan nickel urite, selenium pentan nickel hexanophene, We're only validating William H. Havens, or Heavens. Now, if you were going to specify Isidore Isaac Rabi and George B. Pengram, those aren't the man that worked in biomolecular atomic commercial weapons approach, inorganic bioterrorism, pathological species approach efficiencies, viral epidemiology. No. Weird, obtuse. Hey, this guy named Louis Strauss. The guy finds Gap, Family Guy. Hey, Sloan Ursay Taylor Johnson. That Spirit Agnew guy. Who is he to the 38th Commander? Who is he? If you're applying what is known as the Sloan Kettering Hospital based on leukemia research, hexafluorines and dielectric efficiency standards, Earl Taylor guy. The validity assessment of plutonium antiparticles based on molecular research, Upjohn Corporation. That's like asking what the interior lineament of your scalp is, the hair follicle particle, and Protactinium bacteria. Protactinium bacteria saying each brain tissue has a different electrical diffusion. No understanding. That would be Shirley L. Quimby's research. Now, if you were going to specialize in and say, this guy right here, how much he wonders Herbert L. Anderson, look, Einstein's look-alike, like saying Count of Luxembourg. Nobel laureate. This guy, James Rainwater. What does it say? 1963, 1975. He is the Nobel laureate for the discovery of connection between collective motion and particle motion, theoretical wave gradient, inorganic atometry, viral epidemiology, cesium, vanadium, diepsium, pentantriethyltrillium, uropentannickelboromine, brachial acid fluorides, fluoropentahexanickel lanthanum sulfate means, pulmonary anthrax. You mean my meningitis and my HIDS-MERS approach isn't wondered to tendinitis studies and polio research and say I have organic tissue that's 20 and 40 years old that hasn't ever had its polio or tendinitis shot. And it's going through nuclear radioactive water and say, where in the world? And say we still believe in flight patterns? Plutonium antiparticles. Now, that wouldn't matter. America great again, those type of things. We not stupid, Lord von Ribbentrop, We want the Goring. We don't understand Spanish and Mussolini. Hey, Jared Bud, guy. We're ready to take Donald Jr. and say Niagara Falls and show him the hospital, the other thing, and ask where they had dinner, that after the Yeltsin meeting of Lord von Ribbentrop, and say, you're ready to show the room where you got engraved and the toothpick with habanero got put in your thing. We are going to talk about how nanoparticles are related in T-cell development. I call it triple E research, where Protactinium bacteria related to the bubonic plague. Hey, guess what this guy specializes in? Bubonic plague, epidemiology, viral heptus efficiencies, inorganic, organic approach analysis, diepsium pentantriethyltrillium, depsium ammoniumnite, lanthanum pentahesium, AID, selenium pentahexanickel triathylene, oral pentahexosfluorescein, pentahesium. Oh, lanthanum carbide, inorganic matter. Oh, the eight, and show it in protecting to metallurgy. Show it how to be able to be contract tracing and intervirology. Hey, bud. If we were to say preparing for Lord von Ribbentrop, the Chung Wu ask how this is wondered to the Ursies and the Zhang Zemins your whole life, and say, why Xian, this is where Q8, hot lady, Ursi lady, can I practice my Chinese? Mom, I don't call you the Ursi lady, I call you mom's friend that she takes pictures of that lives on 14th Street, and your family. Don't know them as the Ursies. Oh, sorry. I know them as the family that we take a picture and that we're occasionally invited over for barbecue and church service with. Oh. Now, look, Maxwell Bohr, Agate Bohr, Bohr's Law. How is that wondered to the Williamsians? Oh, hey, Maxwell Bohr, Carrie Erling. Carrie Erling, was you win the 02 Nobel over? Hey, Hans, Joe, where did you win the 93 Nobel over? Or what years? Oh, my bad. This wouldn't be the man that built the synchrotron. Now, if you're wondering that to muonic atoms, subatomic with one or more subatomic. I have a viral topography of mucal fluoride. A mucal fluoride assessment that might be contract tracing. Oh, no. Now, if the electron was replaced by a muon, my carbon thing means that I have, instead of heads and MERS, I have meningitis. If my meningitis is wondered instead of the flu to Baracculus, what is it called? Not instead of bone rot, instead of the flu. It is called what's the other way the other thing that we call it when we get sick? Oh, I forget. Forget that. That wouldn't be the contract tracing of bronchitis. Now, brachial fluoride, the bronchitis. Now, Dr. Wilson, oh man, I like to know how these people are supposedly, hey, Gertrude Roberta, your brother, Gertrude Roberta. I guess these guys don't matter. Now, my absolute favorite. When this guy, hey, Earl Thayer, that's your biological mommy's dad. Who is that guy? And say, Kevin McCarthy, no, we did it in plutonium research. We don't understand James Lankford. Viral topographical inorganic organic approach. And instead of a raccoon, we're asking it in seaweed and say more jellyfish. Cartoplasms. Oh, jellyfish have the same way that we see spines. Bats. Oh my gosh, no. Cucumber seaweeds. Oh, no, we didn't. What about mammal feces? Oh, no. Mammal based? Oh, non landform. Oh, no. Oh, my very favorite radioactive inorganic, and say instead of ticks, we are asking it to spinal based things and locusts, and say the locusts still bite human and other animals in view of mosquitoes. Zika, triple E, mad cow, and say how far away are our mutations to protect neum bacteria to bubonic plague research.